What's going on, everybody? So I've been kind of distant for a while. Haven't been making any videos and really posting anything on Instagram at all. I just moved into our new house, so things have been kind of crazy. And so I'm finally opening up this box. If you saw on Instagram, I got this, I don't know, probably 3 months ago, 4 months ago maybe. And I'm finally getting around to it. Actually, probably even longer than that. I have not seen it, have not opened it. I just, undid the flap to make sure, to see how the packaging was. And, to no disappointment, this thing's packaged really well. So this is from Modfather Customz. It's by a guy named Ron Couch. You can find him on Instagram at Modfather Customz, or you can find, I think he's on Facebook. I don't know, I don't have Facebook, so he may be on there, he may not, I'm not sure. But anyway, so what I have in here is some painted parts for the Hellcat that I'm finally putting on, like I said. So I wanted to open this up, with everyone, on film. So get kind of a first impressions and let you know what we're going to be installing. So we'll just open it up here. So this is exactly how it comes. Like I said, I haven't touched anything, haven't unpacked it or anything. So get all this out of the way. So just before I even open it, you could tell it's packaged really well. There's no way it's gonna get damaged in shipment. There's styrofoam on the sides, on both sides. There's styrofoam on the bottom. And there's also this, padding over here. So let's see what this is first. So this is the painted supercharger coolant tank in white knuckle factory finish. And you can see there's a little viewing port here, so you can see how much it's filled up. The letters are done in black. Get a closer look there. Oh, camera's over here. There it is. Here's the viewing port so you can see inside. And that's extremely well done. And the best part about this is an OEM part. He doesn't get, it's not like an aftermarket thing. It's a brand new, never used OEM parts that he buys and paints them himself. So it's not like you have to send like a core to him, or take your coolant tank off, or whatever part you get painted, take it off and send it to him. He sends you a brand new part, and then you get to keep your part that's on your car. So look how clean that line is. That's crazy. Same thing on this end. All right, so that's this one here, supercharger coolant tank. It's awesome. And I don't know if you can really see it, but I don't have a flashlight here, but there's not even a drop of paint anywhere in here. So this is all covered up really well. You got a new hose on here. So let's see what the other part is. Some more packaging. And I think you can know, by the shape of this, what this is gonna be in. This is in like I guess he put it in a pillowcase. That's a smart idea. Wow. Holy moly. Got this little packaging here with some stickers, some cards. Oh, even got a pen. So I'll take this off here. Show you that in a second. This is beautiful. Look at that finish. Wow. Again, new hoses. Got black lettering again. The little viewport here. Look how clean that line is. Again, OEM part, you know, it's not aftermarket, it's brand new, never used. Wow, what a good job. Very, very happy with this. A little black on the bottom. That's gorgeous. That's gonna look awesome on the car. And like I said, it's OEM paint. Like, there's no marks. It's just polished perfectly. I mean, it's fresh paint. It's awesome. Just to show you both of them again. If I could do it, there you go. Move the camera up a little bit. There you go. That's gonna look sick on the car. With the Billet technology caps, that's gonna look awesome. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. You know, it's nothing special. I'm gonna do an install video probably this week, now that I have them opened up and I saw what they are. Let me show you what's inside that packaging that he sent with it. So in here we have some stickers, which are always appreciated. And by stickers, I mean a sticker. And the cool thing about this, when you order it, he asks you what color you want. So you can get this outline in any color you want. I chose red, but whatever. So then in here, we have a pen. That's a nice little touch. Wow, it's a nice pen too. So you can see here, Modfather Customz. It's a nice touch, really nice. Comes with a little sleeve you can keep it in. And then you have just a few business cards. Here's his business card. Coincidentally, has Billet technology on it. Very cool. And then this just shows you some of the work that he does. So you have coolant reservoirs, a bunch of them on here. He does battery covers, a whole bunch of stuff. But here's Ron's information if you want to reach out. So clearly he does have Facebook. And I would highly, 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 highly recommend these products. And I will definitely be ordering more from him. Here's more. So that's it for this video. Like I said, I'll make another one of the actual installation probably tomorrow when it's hopefully a little warmer here in Jersey. It's been crazy cold and crazy windy, but you know, absolutely superb quality. I can't say enough. So check it out online on Facebook, like I said, or on Instagram. His pricing is extremely, extremely reasonable. It takes a little while to get, but that's because these are hand painted by him. It's not like he has some, you know, factory like pumping out stuff. So I think these took about 8 weeks to get. So definitely order now if you want them for car show season this year. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, be sure to like the video. That helps me out a lot. Be sure to subscribe. That also helps me out. And if you have questions or comments, always welcome. So thanks for watching. Take care.